Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to flash and change languages for Alcatel 2053. As usual, we have here one sample. So let's go in the menu, phone settings, language, display language. These are the languages currently available in the phone, and I'm planning to put on it Romanian. So I'm going to do this using FURIOUSGOLD and the SPD service tool from the pack 2 of this box. So I'm going to power off this phone. From the models, I'm going to select 2053D. I'm going to choose right firmware and select from here firmware having Romanian. This is the one here. Then I'm going to press connect. So once the software starts searching for the mobile, we are going to press the boot key, which for this phone is the star key. We still have the battery inside, and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected. And the flashing process starts. As you can see, the software supports all the other features as well, as email repair, read memory, format the file system, write firmware, and remove SIM lock. But it's not the case for this mobile. They all came unlocked from the factory, but who knows in the future what is going to happen. So the flashing process ended. Now let's check the mobile and see if everything is okay and we have the new languages inside. As you can see, we have here all the new languages from the new flash file. So we have Romanian here. So that's all. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.